This is the serve for today.
Okay.
The day serve.
Captain ball, John again.
Okay, you got served. You got served. Okay. Oh, what was that? You got served, baby. Big cap number 1, you got served.
We're losing.
As you can see, you got served again.
The cup fight.
Go the cup. 1, 2, 3. Go, go, go home.
Go home.
Go.
Lumalas lang!
You got served again for the 3rd time.